Welcome everyone to Journey Downstream, sailing the Viking Mississippi. I'm your host Tyrone Taborn, and today we're voyaging through the heartland of America aboard the exquisite Viking Mississippi River Boat. This luxury vessel, the jewel of Viking's fleet, promises an unparalleled cruising experience. With its Scandinavian spacious staterooms, elegant dining, and panoramic river views, every moment on board is a delight. Not to forget the onboard amenities like the sun deck, infinity plunge pool, and enriching lectures that delve deep into regional culture and history. Now, with the mighty Mississippi beneath us and the comforts of the Viking ship around us, let's dive into our day-to-day journey. St. Louis, Missouri. Arch, a testament to America's spirit of exploration and expansion. St. Louis, Alton, Illinois. Taste your way into the heart of the Midwest and Alton. From local delicacies to the scenic confluence of the great rivers, it's a sensory delight. In Alton, indulge in local delicacies before marveling at the scenic meeting point of the great rivers. Hannibal, Missouri. Read Mark Twain. Here in Hannibal, you're stepping into his world, is where the tales of Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn came alive. Quad Cities, Iowa. We tread through the fertile fields of Quad Cities, a testament to the mighty American agricultural prowess. Dubuque, Iowa. Time seems to stand still in Dubuque's Cathedral's historic district, with period lampposts lighting our way through history.
This is an A5 grade Saku sliced tuna. You have a prime filet mignon, you have a medium and a medium well. You have some U8 diver jumbo diver scallops right in front of you right there. Seared golden beets. It's laying on a bed of asparagus. You have some Brussels sprouts scattered around over some fresh parsley.
Oh, awesome.
I hope you guys enjoy.
Thank you.
Chef, this is absolutely amazing. Where are you from, Chef?
I'm from New York.
Wow.
It's truly my honor to cook for you guys, and I hope you enjoy.
Thank you, Chef.
My pleasure.
This Viking Mississippi River journey is more than just a trip. It's an experience. Thank you for sailing through time and culture with us. Join us again as we continue to explore the wonders of America and beyond. Until next time.